This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Vibe Beam headset to your Android tablet. So this is very easy to do. Just go to the top right and go to settings and go to the Bluetooth options right here. And just make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then go to search. And for your JBL Vibe Beam, all you have to do is remove these and they will be automatically into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, the only thing is if you have them previously connected to a different device, well, they're going to connect up to that other device. So go to that device's Bluetooth settings and forget them. And then they will show up under here. So we can just go to refresh right now. And you can see JBL Vibe Beam. I can just tap it, go to pair. And then these are now connected, 100% battery life. And I can just save it now. I can download the application too from JBL, and it's going to give me a little bit more features if I really want. So you can decide if you want this or not. It's not really needed to use the device, but you can get it and it'll give you a little bit more features to control, like, you know, the sound and some other things on here too. So you can decide if you want it on or off, or don't get it at all. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.